Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Klap versus Opus Clip. Which AI tool makes better shorts? Today we're making this comparison to help you decide between Klap AI versus Opus Clip. Both promise to transform your long videos into viral shorts, but which one truly delivers the knockout punch for your content strategy? We'll be breaking down the features, compare their pricing, and lay out the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you have solid reasons to jump into one of these services. There are links to both services in the description so you can have an easy access to them. And starting with the features. Now, both Klap AI and Opus Clip are powerful AI tools designed to streamline your video repurposing, but they offer distinct strengths. Now, here's a common ground. Both services provide features in AI-powered clip generation, dynamic captioning, multi-platform optimization, and direct video import. But here's where they part ways. Klap AI offers AI dubbing in 29 languages, allowing for broader global reach and provides a virality score for each clip. And this gives you an indication of its social media potential. It focuses on maintaining the original video's aspect ratio more effectively. Opus Clip, on the other hand, provides AI B-roll generation to enrich storytelling, supports input from 10+ sources, and allows exports to professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. It also offers a social media scheduler and emphasizes its strong connection to the overall context and script of the video. For these features, here are the pricing comparisons. Klap AI does offer a credit-based system. All plans include HD or 4K downloads and AI dubbing in the Pro and the Plus plan. Now you have the basic plan at $29 per month, where you get to upload 10 videos and generate up to 100 HD clips monthly. The Pro plan comes at $79 per month, and this plan lets you upload 30 videos and generate 300 clips monthly in stunning 4K quality. The Pro Plus plan is the ultimate content creation powerhouse, and it comes at $189 per month. With this plan, you can upload 100 videos and generate a massive 1000 clips monthly, all in 4K with AI dubbing. Opus Clip, on the other hand, has its own distinct pricing plan. It does have a free plan and offers 60 minutes of video processing time per month after a 7-day pro trial. The starter plan is at $15 per month, and they will provide you with 150 credits with AI clipping with virality score, AI animated captions in over 20 languages. Then you have the Pro plan at $29 per month, but is currently at $14.50. You'll be provided with 3,600 credits across the year. It also comes with all the features in the starter plan, plus a team workspace for 2 seats and 2 branding templates, among other features. Then you have the business plan, which is at a custom pricing for organizations needing tailored solutions, API, and more. So you'll need to contact support in order to get your quote. And now to the strengths and weaknesses, starting with Klap AI. On the bright side, it has speed and efficiency, AI dubbing, virality scoring, aspect ratio consistency, and user-friendly interface. On the flip side, with the cons, contextual understanding. It may sometimes lack the deeper contextual understanding of the video compared to Opus Clip. It is best suited for talking head videos, so you might have this as a challenge if you're not into talking head videos. There is no truly unlimited plan, as credit limits might be a constraint for extremely high volume users. There is no mobile app, so you'll need to rely on the web version, and you would be wishing for longer videos if you're having videos of more than 3 hours, as the highest plan has 3 hours of video processing, which might be a limit for extremely longer podcasts or webinars. Opus Clip, on the other hand, on the strong side, has a great contextual understanding, as it excels in connecting the overall context and script of the video for more coherent clips. Then you have AI B-roll, as it enhances visual storytelling with contextual relevant B-roll. You also have professional integrations where you get to export to Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve for advanced editing. You have flexible output, as it supports multiple aspect ratios. and more input sources as it accepts videos from a wider variety of sources. On the other hand, with the cons, there is a longer processing time as this can have a longer estimated time for clip generation compared to Klap AI. Vertical output issues. There are occasional issues with vertically formed clips that need adjustment. Then a higher cost per clip. In the starter plan, it offers fewer credits compared to Klap's AI basic plan for a similar price point. Then the credit system for advanced features. Now, some key features are tied to credit usage, which might require careful management. The learning curve for some users might find this a little bit steep for advanced users. In conclusion, both Klap AI and Opus Clip are incredibly powerful tools for transforming long-form content into engaging shorts, but your choice really depends on your specific needs. Now, if speed, multi-language dubbing, and a virality score are top priorities, Klap AI might be your champion. If you value deeper contextual understanding, professional editing integrations, AI B-roll, and a social media scheduler, Opus Clip would definitely be the right fit. No matter your choice, both services offer AI capabilities that will undoubtedly elevate your content strategy and save you countless hours. Don't forget to check out the link so you can go ahead and make your choice by getting on one of them. And if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.